I'm sleeping late, drinking too much coffee, eating whatever is there. First, it was one breakout, then suddenly my whole cheek. So exam started and my face changed overnight. I keep telling myself that I'll deal with it later, but it's getting worse and I'm like...
Acne Time Out. First, breathe. I know it feels like everything is happening all at once, but here's actually what's going on. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol. Cortisol tells your skin to produce more oil. More oil means clogged pores and more breakouts. So your skin hasn't suddenly turned against you. It's just reacting to all the stress that your body is going through. That, with the late night, the coffee, the midnight noodles, and constantly touching your face between chapters, acne is using it all. Before you sleep, 2 simple steps. Use the Sébium gel Moussant to gently cleanse and purify the skin. Then apply the Sébium Hydra with patented Fluidactiv technology to moisturize. Together, they prevent new breakouts. You can't control your syllabus, but you can control this one small step before bedtime. That's you winning your skin back again. Face acne right with the Bioderma Sébium Acne Care range. Won't let acne win.